Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a bag unboxing. So you guys know that I love doing bag unboxings because I just love to review bags and receive pretty bags and mainly pink bags. But today I'm going to be doing an affordable bag unboxing, and you can actually get this bag online for sale right now for $100, which is a great deal. So if you guys are wanting to get a Valentine's gift for a loved one or yourself, or you just want to treat yourself, then just keep watching this video. Yes, the bag is pink, just to let you guys know. And yeah, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Charla. You are now part of the pink family. Do not forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up so I know to keep making these videos. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Okay guys, so I ordered a bag from Michael Kors, and I know I don't own a Michael Kors bag anymore. I used to have so many Michael Kors bags. Michael Kors was actually the brand that started my bag obsession. So I'm pretty sad that I don't own any Michael Kors bags right now. I sold them all so long ago when I started getting into the luxury brands. So yeah, when I got my first bag, it was in high school, and I had made one of my ex-boyfriends, I made him buy me a Michael Kors bags because they were really hot back in 2010 to 2012. Well, that's when they were like really at their peak, and everybody would carry a Michael Kors bag. I think Michael Kors even tried to dupe Louis Vuitton with their Neverfulls, because they made totes that looked exactly like theirs. And that is the bag, the first bag that I had bought at the time, and it was a black bag. I know, it's shocking. It was not pink. It was a black Michael Kors tote bag. It looked like the Neverfull, and I loved that bag so much. I wish I could find a picture of it. If I can, I will post it here. But that started my bag addiction, and just after all the Michael Kors started coming out, and I even started working for Dillard's, so I would get discounts and I would just collect so many MK bags. Like, it was crazy how many I had. If I can find some pictures, I'll post them. And then finally Michael Kors started coming out with pink bags, maybe it was in 2012 at this point. And I remember buying my first pink Michael Kors bag. I'm so upset that I sold that bag, because I know that bag is so hard to find. But I ended up selling it about 3-4 years ago. And like I said, I'm so sad that I sold it, because it was like a pink studded bag, and it was like the hottest bag out there. So I'm pretty sad that I sold it. But yeah, Michael Kors was pretty much the bag that started this whole addiction for me. And I know Michael Kors kind of isn't that hot right now. I do still see a lot of people wearing them, but not as many as people carrying Louis Vuitton. So yeah, I wanted to start getting back into Michael Kors. I just wanted to see what they had, see if they had any cute pink bags again, because there's times where I'm just going out and I'm dressed like a hobo, and I do not want to carry a Louis Vuitton bag. Who knows who's watching me, who's following me, and it's like, girl, this ain't even real, you're gonna come jack me. So yeah, there's times where I'm going out and I'm just dressed very laid back, and I don't want to carry these high-end bags with me. I just want to carry a cute laid back bag. And this bag, I saw it on the Michael Kors website, and I fell in love because it's cute, it's not too obnoxious, and it is the perfect shade of pink, which I'm hoping, because sometimes the color online can look different than the color in person. So I already ordered it. It is here, and came in this package, which this is the only thing that I'm upset about, because I've even ordered Coach bags and they come in better packaging than this. And I haven't ordered Coach in a while, just because I haven't seen anything that's caught my eye that made me ooh, I want to get this bag. So yeah, first impression of it coming in, just a bubble mailer, I was not impressed. I'm oh Lord. They didn't even try to put it in a cute little box or anything like that. So I was already kind of disappointed when I saw that it came in like this. I haven't opened it yet. As you can tell, it is going to be a pretty small bag. They only had the small size left because in this bag they made a small and a medium, and I really wanted the medium because I am taller, but they had already sold out of the medium and they only had the small left, so I just grabbed the small. I figured it would still look cute, you know, on days when I just want to carry my wallet and my keys. So let's go ahead and open it up. I've got my scissors right here, and let's see how she's gonna look. I'm really hoping and praying it's as cute as it was on the website. I did do a poll on my Instagram. If you guys saw that poll, you already know what bag it is. I did a poll and asked you guys if you wanted me to review this bag, and almost every one of you said yes. So I'm excited to see how this bag is gonna look. Oh my god, it's super tiny. I don't know if I like that. It's super, super tiny. I wish they still had the medium size in stock because that probably would have been like the perfect size for me. Okay, very tiny, so I'm already like, I don't know how I'm gonna go with a tiny bag. So let's open it up and see. Okay, come on, Michael Kors. I'm trying to bring you guys back, and so far you are not doing it for me. Okay, so this is a cute shade of pink. So here's how it is looking so far. This is so cute. I just wish it was bigger. I wish they still had the medium size. So this is how she looks without all the wrapping. So it is like the perfect shade of pink. It is a very, very muted, neutral baby pink. I don't think I have a bag that kind of like compares to it. Maybe this one. No, because even this one is still more pink. So this one is a very, very, very muted baby pink color. So I don't own a bag this shade of pink. So I do like that because sometimes I want a very, very neutral pink. So let's see how this opens up. So I do like on the bag that, you know, the MK isn't in big letters because I feel like that's a little bit it's like a little bit too obnoxious, and I don't really like that. I like that the logo is like very small. It looks very nice and looks cute. It reminds me of a Kate Spade bag. So let me open this. Let me go ahead and take out all this wrapping because we are going to use this baby today. We'll see how she looks with me. Because like I said, I am so tall. I feel like tiny bags only look good when I'm like dressed up, like wearing a dress, but I don't know, maybe it's just me. Okay, so let me open this. Give me 1 second. Here she is unwrapped, and this is how she looks. It is so cute. Like I said, it is pretty small, but I feel like a lot of stuff will fit in here, so we're gonna do a what fits in this bag in this video as well. So I like that the back you can stick your phone, I'm thinking. Let me see if my phone will fit in here. I think my phone is too big. Yep, my phone is too big, so if you guys have the big phone, just know that it is not gonna fit. I think the only thing will fit in here is like credit cards, so that way you don't have to go and open your purse and look for your credit cards. You can easily just slip it out of the back pocket. So I think that is all that will fit back there. And this bag is okay. So when you turn it around to the front, I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Hello. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see up close how this bag looks. So I just love, see how the logo's real small. I just love how that looks. And then it does have a little MK keychain, which I think that is so cute. I feel like if the MK logo was big, I feel like it would be a little bit too much for my taste. So I like that it is small and it has the chain hanging over. So when you open it, you just lift this clasp down, and then there you will see the MK logo. And then when you open it, this is how it looks on the inside. So cute. like I said, I would probably love this bag even more if it was the medium size. So if you guys are looking for this bag, maybe you can find it on Mercari, someone's reselling it and they have the medium size. I would recommend you guys get the medium size for an everyday bag. But this bag is more for like on the go. You're just gonna put your keys and your wallet. I don't even know if sunglasses will fit in here. We're about to just check and see right now. But I do like how the inside looks. It has two compartments, and I love that the inside is pink. I have such a pet peeve with the inside of bags not being pink. Like, if the bag is pink, make the inside pink. Like, there's so many bags that I pass up because the inside is red. And I do not own any red bags. Not that I have anything against red bags. I mean, my hair's red. But I just like for the pink to match on the inside. So that's usually the deal breaker for me. If I see a cute bag that I want on the inside is red, I'm like, nope, not gonna get it, sorry. But I love that the inside is pink, and it is, this material is like easy to clean if you like get your jean stain on it, or if you drop some soda on it or anything. Like, I like that this material feels like you could easily just get a wipey and like wipe it down and nothing will happen to it. I do want to warn you guys about wearing blue jeans though, because it will stain on the bag, because that is what happened to me with so many bags I had in the past. With this type of material, I would wear blue jeans, and even though I would wash those blue jeans so many times, if it would rub on my jeans, you would see all the blue, and I would be there scrubbing very hard to get it off. So just letting you guys know, do not wear any dark jeans with this bag, especially because of the material. I feel like it will pick up stains, but like I said, if it's just, you know, a ketchup stain, or if you're eating french fries, you get some ketchup on it, I feel like it will be easy to wipe off. So it's good and then it's bad. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and see what fits in here. But like I said, the strap is pretty long. It does stretch even longer, which I will probably use it at the longest length because I am tall. But pretty much I think this is a really cute bag. Like I said, if I just want to run some quick errands, then this is a pretty good bag to use. But if you want an everyday bag to where you want to fit a lot of your essentials, I would try and go and looking for the medium. You won't find it on Michael Kors because they're completely sold out, but you could probably find them on eBay or Mercari or Poshmark. So I would recommend you guys go check there. But yeah, I think it's really cute. It's really adorable. It reminds me of a Kate Spade bag, and I used to love Kate Spade too, and I used to have so many Kate Spade bags. I don't think I own any Kate Spade bags anymore, but I definitely loved Kate Spade so much. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna grab some of my everyday essentials and we're gonna see what all can fit in here. I went ahead and grabbed a few things that I feel like I would put in my everyday bag. So my everyday bag currently is this bag right here. So you guys saw me doing an unboxing of it. I did get this bag recently when I went to Vegas for my birthday, and this is how they look in size comparison. So obviously my LV bag is just a little bit bigger, but this bag does carry a lot because it has two compartments and it does fit my phone perfectly. So that is why I love this bag so much. So this is how everything looks on the inside. I've got my car keys, I've got my credit card holder, and let me see, I'm gonna take these things out and see if any of this will fit. And then I've also got a lipstick in there, and like I said, my phone does fit perfectly in there, so we'll see if my phone fits perfectly inside this bag. So that is the bag that I am currently using right now, but like I said, that bag is authentic, so sometimes I don't want to use it all the time because I don't want it to get like dirty quick. So we're gonna go ahead and put all those items into this bag. So let me zoom y'all in so y'all can see. Hello. Okay, so we're gonna open her up. First, let's see if this phone fits in here, because I don't know. Is she gonna fit? Is she gonna fit? Oh, she fits snug. You kind of have to like push her in there a little bit, but she fits. Okay, so the phone went in there, and then I've got my card case. So we're gonna put that in the front pocket. Fits perfectly. We've got a lipstick. Fits perfectly. we've got a lip gloss because I know you guys have like 10 lipsticks in your purses. So don't say that one was enough, because I know for sure that you guys had more than one lipstick in your purse right now. So that is what fits in there right now. We're gonna see if my keys fit. My keys have to fit because I do not like carrying my keys in my hand. I like my keys to be in my purse because my car has that feature where you don't have to unlock it. You just have to be close to the car and it will unlock by itself. So that's why I need my keys to fit in here, because I do not like carrying them. So then we'll put that in there. So I had to move the credit card case with the phone, and yeah, it does fit perfectly. So I'm gonna close it up, and everything fit perfectly. So this is pretty much what I would carry every single day. Like if I'm going to the mall with the friends, I'm gonna go eat with my husband, I'm gonna go run some errands, and I don't need to be carrying the whole world with me, then this is definitely something that I would carry with me. Would I take this on vacation with me? Absolutely not. You guys know I need my bigger bags or any medium-sized bag. This is how the bag looks all the way, with the strap to the longest length, and it does hit at the perfect right there at my hip, so it's perfect. It's not too short, and it's, I mean, I would like it to be a little bit longer, but it doesn't bother me where it's sitting. So I do like the strap length. And yeah, that is everything that will fit in here. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit too close. Okay. So that is everything that will fit in here. I don't know if anything more could fit in here. Let's just say I have a bigger size wallet and I want to squeeze that in there because the card case isn't enough, because I got some cash that my husband gave me and he was like, go shopping, girl. So we're gonna see if that will fit in here. So I am forcing it a little bit because of those keys. I'm gonna have to move the keys. So I'm taking everything out of the front pocket, and we're going to squish these keys in there, girl. These keys have got to go in there because that is my deal breaker. Okay, so the wallet does fit in there, but I did have to sacrifice one lipstick because it will not, two lipsticks will not fit in there. So you would have to sacrifice, girl, and just take one, either your liquid lipstick or your lip gloss. But only one would be able to fit in there. So we're gonna close this baby up, and now at this point it is a little bit heavier. So that is everything that fits in here. I don't think anything else will fit in there, but like I said, it will carry a good amount of things that you like necessarily need. But if you wanted to carry like your whole life in there, I do not think, like, I don't think you would like this bag. But if you are just someone who just needs, you know, a little everyday bag, I feel like this is a good one. I will rate this bag, I will give this bag a 7, just because I really wish that this was the medium-sized bag. So I give this bag a 7. Do you guys need it? No, but it is good if you guys want to spoil yourself, get someone this as a gift. You want to treat yourself, yes, it is cute, and I really like this bag. So no, I will not be returning it. I'm gonna keep it and use this, and she's so cute. So yeah, that was it. That was everything that fit in this bag. Okay, you guys, so that was everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and yes, I will be doing more bag unboxings because I did receive some more bags in the mail, and I'm super excited to show them to you guys. So I will be doing more videos like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you don't want to miss out on any more of my bag unboxings, make sure you click the bell so you can get notified when I post. And until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.